Perfect. Nice. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to make banana carrot bread. If you're new to this channel, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Let's get started. The ingredients are 3 pieces of ripe bananas, 1 cup of grated carrots, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush some butter to a 9 by 5 inches loaf pan and sprinkle some flour. Let's mash bananas first. We will add oil, milk, sugar, and eggs. Mix well. Then add vanilla. In a separate bowl, combine flour, baking soda, and salt. Mix. Gradually combine to the cream mixture and then mix. Lastly, add the grated carrots. Pour the batter to the pan. It looks good, guys. It's done. Bake it for 55 to 65 minutes or until a toothpick inserted near center comes out clean. Here is it, the bread. Let it sit for 10 minutes before slicing. Let's see what it tastes like. Perfect. Let's taste it. Is it good? Yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to try this recipe. See you in our next vlog. Bye! Good job!